we ship washers and dryers to more than 1,000 customers in 100 countries. Additionally, we ship spare parts, more than 20,000 parcels per year, what is a total of 1 million spare parts per year that we ship to our customers. Concerning the machines, in this plant we assemble 3,400 unique machines, models for all our customers. So there are small machines and very large machines. The smallest machines we can build in 10 hours. The largest machine that we build here in the plant, it takes 600 hours to produce. It contains 1,500 different parts and it weighs 5 tons.
In a pre-board, we are focusing for 3 elements. The first is the takt time, we can call it cycle time, visualization of the material or workflow, and standardized working place. These 3 elements create the improvements. We want to beat the waste. We increase by these 3 things: productivity, efficiency. We are focusing for the saving in manpower and the machine power.